Okay, soon, la introduce it boy for the people watching us now with English so that everybody for know what to do.
My name is Prince, anyways. My name is Prince Ehis. Only I am a TikTok. Normally, man, understand. So, brother, when I get Usaro, he want to about as he might face to face, man, understand. But my way business could be, you understand. So, then the business name or Magba, what I mean, Prince.
Yeah, we are listening.
You not buy.
Wait, W shot. TikTok, everybody. Wait, Mujabo. If you don't have they listen to what they talk, now they hear the right yes. If not they hear what they talk, now the right yes or comment section. Make it for the talk loud. What are they hear where? So, bros, continue. So, they say English. People they say English. English.
English. Yet is English. Okay. I'm sorry for that.
Okay, carry on. Carry on.
Yes. So here for 19 or mana he okpe ni kegwale no bag as well. Man understand he make na it here because he ogele send him ego. Man understand.
Only go send it go.
1,000, I think 1,000 something. Don't honor you go not
Hey, bros, Mudia. Only go send it go.
1,000, I think 1,002. I think so. He may receive you. He receive it. No send it go, man.
1,002 pounds.
Yeah.
Pounds.
Yeah.
How much? Only go have agree.
Almost by 3,000.
3,000.
Yes. Orema. 3,000, 3,005. You go so my me auntie organ or Manchester. No, you may dot or you go your fairness is stanio. You may own not gonna understand. So he had the potter, or not as in we were good and good times talking, man understand. So you know to my okay, yeah, since may well lose the kakabo, he will lose. You understand? You know what okay, there you know. No near me. Yeah, tried need again. But all my expenses and everything. Already manania. You know where worry. Since he losing that worry, but since because damage him where na yari nothing open yari egwe e don't got no baba ore mo na
unmute your side. Unmute your side you. Is it the guy you will a man now ewe gwalosia?
You know.
For we to even see him at all now. First time I need him and we waya wesi.
He say
is we mute side when. For you to see because for 2 years you have been looking for him. So for you to see him now, you will now know there's the power in social media. So I am aware the power in my and or where. Just that I'm the one who create the avenue. So Tamia we were see. That the network is shaking. Again, it has see.
Hello, the network again or
amen. The network is shaking.
The network again or but Imala or me go no bag Imala
Larry, the network in Nigeria waga mwe. Larry, Nigeria network. I will enjoy Nigeria network. You enjoy network. Nigeria network. Send a request. Jack Nigeria network. 2 months off. Igor Rakati whenever I said the hearing I said Wamujababa, Zege ya recharge card you to make card. Ya recharge card because na saba we if no bon asunu e dagbo we. Egege amu we pa no lare. Egege.
Egu, the president no. Okunoga agwa ba.
Avec community.
The president. Okunoga agwa no way mommy.
What's
Hello?
Hello? What's going on?
Yenuta.
Okwa no agwa ba but enye na mommy e ma with ahi ata private. Then I'm telling private. I tell you private. Na gwa say we dey have you.
Mami too about nothing. Oh, Baba, man, understand. I'm calling to the task. Everybody, Maremana.
Amen. New world.
Yeah.
Yenu go comment. Itwa o se no gbe.
Mama,
Yenu go comment.
Don't please.
Pato. Iro. Itia. Wega zengi. Wega zengi. Itia.
Mama, let me go.
We ya ni etinjo, imami o we yenu go comment. Mami o we. Na, mami o we. Okay, yenu go comment.
Martina. I'm not a 419. That is why I'm not hiding from him.
Mr. Priest, that's a comment section. For you to respect us and come first, I respect you. That's a comment section. Esugusu whatever. Esugusu whatever. You say remove Baba 2 step. Or when you remove Baba 2 step, why we say the request? Baba 2 step. Yeah, when you move, we say the request. When you have Baba 2 step.
You know, Mama Lamagu.
Oh, double happy Sunday.
Okay, let's go. You go come like me here go. Let's go 1 minute we will see. Bros. Amen. Nu gwalosin. Odo gwana. Owe wagele we business o matori. Owe but if nu wahu owe 3,500 to 3,500 water. Owe but igo ni emie is 2,000 1,200.
1,200.
Tani we igo nu mie was 1,200. They were me. So amen. Okay, amen. We 2,000 were here. Talk to everybody.
Yes, because that person where that's in fact, and if I should say my auntie, I don't even know. Because person where I send money give, because I sent that one 500. Because that one constantly, she not feel the juice your account. Today they withdraw, take money like that. Make I send out to them direct. Understand? Because I sent 500, then I can't pay if 500 give me. She can't say she not fit again. So come I say the case can't get kill leg. Like I say, okay, she not fit again. She can't forward that money give me. Now I can't so it made 2,000 pounds for Prince and now it's 2,000 now the tenants ever since we are taking Nigeria.
Wait, bros, this you said 2,000 cash, go give her direct.
Yes, now pass now, yes, now I said I give him now. I said I give him. Yeah, I can't see the lie again. We are feel come as for to me account talk my story.
Wait, but why?
But
You know como kazegbe e bros na go. Bros.
Maybe let him a few days. According to everything, I think I think according to
The network
not be it was about according to the calculation and everything. Are you so 1 hour 1 I will
please, everybody power tap now. Please, more than power tap now. May not go drop us now, beg. Everybody else there, you people are not power tap. Please, they go drop us.
I know the if them matter no, they also no. The deal were 2,000 something pounds. Man, understand? So honestly, now like honestly, now I just want you to talk to me and let's iron this out. Let's say the truth to
Okay,
the
you
world.
now, your
If
own now
just didn't
say,
on that comment,
okay, your own now is 1,200. Now you see.
he got him where anybody, but he got him more. According to him, on get according to another 1,600,000. Man, understand? That yeah, calculate go for the marshal could say or say because he not can send the ego. Man, understand? He can't send the ego. If
Who said in 90 something thousand naira?
yeah, man, understand? Yeah, I think 100,000. You not say 100,000, 100,000. On that time, man, or when 90 something thousand, he may send again. Man, I say now, we now we give you send again. You understand? No, not mama GM mini. I not be this
Now
person
we
they had.
send it 100,000. Now we got 94,000. Now we maybe in the charges you wear it. 94,000 maybe.
I didn't charge this. I didn't charge this. Yeah, more pay. Yeah, you shouldn't be charges.
Okay,
No,
bros, let's forget about all those change. Okay, now in pass, even he said when in pass is how much? You go send when we receive in pass.
It's 1,200. Oh, them now.
Is 1,200 they will receive. So only go where who will say we wait 2,000.
2,000 send because you go have any pay 2,005. So that because the lady returned 500 to me.
Bros,
2,000.
Go
Yeah.
2,000.
Why not? I'll sweat put on my money.
Amen.
Why not?
Every day. Where is it?
Bros, please, Ehis Kazigbene. Money, as how a guy na deported any. All those money, as how we large and we accept you when we want to. Masa na we worry. The man na do as how another way one large to mato the way Uwama we. I'm very happy for that. E want to ni vo heya mi o eh.
Okpeni kegbele no bag. Just a no bag na we. So you know misplacing no bag. I do always call I do always call him when he's in Nigeria. Ask him. Because I always check on him. Man, understand. So, no bag.
Okay. Bros, now, when me and now, la new word. That cat okay, we screenshot and I might finish it. Where I said they want to your cat now. Baba now. You have the cash with you today to send, or how you want us to do?
I don't have that cash to send to him now. I don't have it because he may get because when make it gwali
Abe 20 to Baba. No, my brother. 20 Baba. When I say that time because want to know who I want you to pay that one too. Say 800 Nikai. So that one, this thing, my brother, listen.
Not
Prince, wake up, Prince, wake up, good, my brother. Bros, good, my God.
Wa talk pe iwe gogo we no be adere. You understand? It's not better where 1-2 no. You understand? But according to the guy, where 2K. Man understand it, man. It's not better where 2K, where 1-2 no. And where we my be sin agbo ya. You understand? Me we no ji eja adere we eja gbopo eja gbere. Oh, that's open ya won. Man understand it, man. I run mais to be me have a year.
Okay, amen. 1-2 now. The so boy. Not how many days on here so boy.
Okay, well, on here so boy, Baba. Make this guy follow me for TikTok. This what was in here? What's in here?
New word.
New word. No, lele, man. Anything at all, if you have a quality gear.
No, bros. When no sunu. The man do me way ado akeli go na your bo. Ma sa me na. Oti me na no reva ban oti me na ga go aro ban popa ne. Oti me na ga go are kwa oga no we che ma o se lu ban.
Oro. Ide.
Watieri.
Ide.
Orema ni watiere na ni ya gwegwa.
Ija mi, but choke. Ija. Come on, make you choke. Ija mi. No, not yet. Talk to them. What you say?
Chairman, wa talk be.
Boss.
When as a community chairman, umawe no magbade my brother. So amen now, family people were have him.
Yeah.
So now I'm matter na di manane. Amen now no rototo no Nigeria or wait 2000 eri the bros now. But bros now we want to receive. So for you to come the drag, the man do ajogo bojog area.
Yes.
Usaba no the amen na yagbon. I believe say we do more. So now we want to nina, we not pay any amen now. So they are trying to say the cash is not here, the cash now, but they want to give dates and how we go to see the cash. So the man na pay go now, Igbava. I want them to pay this once. The man na kele your boy. See here kele your boy. Here kele your boy. Or Igbava money. Money before they will not present it to him.
Because I won't pass on that. I won't party on it. Man, understand? Because I won't pass on the. If I do know how much I lost on that, I didn't even get a pin on that money, all because of him. Man, understand? That's why we were catching when you are on here. One day,
he got family for Italy for years. Make you put time, make you and the brothers discuss how they fit solve this issue. Because the brothers no more like, they don't like all this kind of wahala. They know the person where they find wahala.
Bro,
so when you put time, make them.
I want to talk, bro. That money, I know why I thought say. I know I'm gonna clear for that. I don't want maybe say get where go rich now. The guy now come abandon the guy. Nobody come there with the guy again. The money will come there one zigzag. So you amen Aladdin. New world. This guy where they with us. So this chairman, you know her. Unmute your side.
Yes, where?
You know her where for community.
Yes.
You want me to donate the money? May they donate the money for your hand if you complete.
Host. I've got to now. More kind. Man, understand?
Bros, I got no bu when there was up. I no bu where you bros. Bros, he beg when as a bros, as a guy, because I had to what's up and Joe. A man never gonna hear to a direct call. A guy will be calling for direct call. So this guy, what's up? I'm trying to make this easy for you, but you are doing very smart. That guy, you are doing very smart, oh. You are doing very smart. And they respect your brothers. And they respect all those your brothers, oh. And they respect your brothers.
Go, Prince. Now me carry myself commerce. Man, I saw them, your man.
You know why why they happy? The chairman, best welfare rule chairman for Benin. If this guy know him, and I believe that guy know if he carry this guy money come on, if he carry come on, all the land where he say will go revoke all of them.
You don't know let me, but my guy.
So, amen, before we start, how you want to pay the money? First talk to us. How you want to pay the money?
Saro, I don't know, make a jam host, make it give him a number, or I don't know how to give him.
Bro, not be number not house.
I still get your contact. You know, they go for WhatsApp again.
What's not tell me?
Bros, how you want to pay this money? Talk and everybody here.
I go to pay us most, but I don't fit pay once. Yeah, talking my way. Yes, I know if you do because everybody hold me. I won't do that. I'm sorry.
Bros, how long you want to take you to pay 1,200?
Baba, as far as I don't see this, my guy, I week by no yari ne. Man, understand? So you know.
Man, I talk to the guy. Hey, man, why we not jail? You know, say me and the metana. It may go for you. I heard they decide will. No vessel. I don't see if you know the verse that say that 2K I give this man. A do priest when you didn't want to, man. A do priest now. Yeah, man, no when they are the platform on there.
2K baba, the priest 2K baba, 2K for real. He got yeti mo ge bai.
Na egu egbe men na go, the gbeni gbe men na go. Ka post name my brother, what gbe my brother. Priest is ume mame. Priest is ugo abre whatever. Priest is who are pretending? Ugo abre whatever priest is. Zegbeni go. Bros, like I told my brother new word. I know say it's not easy for you. This guy big now. Thank God say these bros don't come out. He agree say they owe you 1,200 pounds. I know say not be small money. I know say na 2K you give her. You be not expect say this kind of thing will happen today. But the glory of God, they turn this upside down. They turn this upside up. Abi. So 1 year from you, how you want me to be, bro?
Bros, I so much happy say he show his face for you today. If not because say I carry on social media, I not believe say the money for maybe you go for come outside or come talk the way the issue say happen. See the way the issue be. I believe say my brother still did that place with his brother there. As far as say he say he no fit pay am once. Make him talk when he want to pay the money.
Okay.
Finish.
Okay, you agree? You agree? Me pay the 1 2. Mo will leave the 800 with me. Abi, you agree?
Bros, I said. No one.
Hey, priest, where's the brother? Priest, pay you first now. Bros, I record your baba. And I record this. Who lose the case? Bros, Kamujane, Mr. Priest. I record you lose case. He told him away. You can judge J. Una afia me judge you. I go me wayobi. My honor, where say?
The priest. Yeah, I think you're Palau. A man of Guabani, and we're going to go to Janet.
My brother was pause. My brother was pause. I'm going to say it. A man is a good boy, new word. When you want the God. You know best way, where? You know her.
I don't know, but where they talk,
You don't know her. Let me call the call. I don't call the call.
Wait, can't wear or
Was it?
Everybody come. Based on this my guy don't come out. I don't go, yes. We just in here. Fine. Guy, you go see your money. You understand him, man? He may go where? We to that here. Where you cannot buy snap time Mama Joe. Man start him, man. Now you can't keep when I do not the man not legal man. That money you must be your money clear.
So Abani say on the insult, understand? Why worry? Why worry?
No, that's the way talk. I don't see. Make that person talk well.
Mommy, I worry,
People come right for a year, they come for 1 hour. They never think before 1 hour. Person what to do for 1 hour. You're not for 1 hour. You don't do.
Okay. Bros, what talk one? Amen. Na me Google. Wa mute said one.
That's for 1 hour. No.
Where say Baba? Where see? Priest is la. Ni good guy na go. The time make it Baba. Priest is.
No.
My brother, who agree never not pay the 1 2 abi.
A Wahala, Baba.
Let's see, my brother. If not, we'll see. For you to agree, we'll see. So, is the man I continue all those many talk. Let's forget about.
Who want to name? He can't send a night 100,000 gear.
Okay. But where worry? I watch a comment session. Where Mudia, Mama Mudia. Was it be Mama? Comment session. I beg everybody where they watch us now. If you know say you sabi calculate, you live in UK. I must be 1,200 pounds for naira. I beg more quick calculator for me. So please where the calculator where. So maybe people they here, please everybody calculate it. how much it be for Naira? 1,200 pounds. How much it be for Naira? Bet more than calculator for me. Please, recalculation. So, Prince where calculator where Prince in my even go even now.
Yet calculator because the same phone you know yago agwana. Ni calculator any about.
Okay, you want to soon Prince need drop you when I no calculate because man you don't tell you about because you don't tell it to calculate. The man get we tell ogele gba and we calculate. So need drop when we calculate and we base the request.
Papa Mutane 1 minute sir Mutane.
Okay, let's see, Baba. Let's see. It's over 2.7 million. It's over 2.5 million. It's over 2.2 million. So now they talk many. The one way he talk, we'll call calculate, we'll call use and cross check everybody where they talk here. You know, they hear me so? The one way he talk. So if you know, say they do money, you see they do all those exchange of it. Send request, I bring you up. Send request. If you know, say they do money of all those things, so I be change. Say 2.5, 2.3. If you write for 1 year again, now God will punish you. If you write for 1 year again, now God will punish you. Yata. If you write for 1 year again, if I want your papa, or for 1 naira, or you get a.
Huh?
You win it.
I'm your man, no, sir.
You win it. I be, you chop on the money. If you chop on the money, I'm gonna cut off. I'm gonna do where go. Why here for 1 night? You chop on the money, I'm gonna cut off. Why here for 1 night? I'm gonna do where go.
My brother, me and at the party where you can or Italy.
Holland.
Okay, Holland.
The priest, Baba, I greet you.
What up?
Ode matana matana owaye kirikiri o mata bo gbegbe. Ekenana bros meet ebo ekena jebe no gbegbe o bomo ni go gwe. Ona jebe no gbegbe. You know that sir? Because usagwa we gwe no one no ho ladia. Because okpa o ni eri game na na kedo ade maybe okpa ko pay kirikiri o pay you na ne. I don't know whether they get me, Baba.
Yeah.
So,
Mr.
Madam, make contact again. You are my money. You got
Mujane, because we look got deported boy na a boy ni stress no we are Jenny work contact you. Or we not to block here the WhatsApp or manana.
Ologbo, I don't want to go those areas. Ologbo, I beg. I don't
Bros muja bro la to go me go e matter no prison o the matter settle papa muja na bros we muja bros o ba o the matter na settle when the men na tunu gba no ha ga na go oga igba
muja na ologbo wa ologbo la area na ri na wo so fi do small mo be like everybody go happy he himself go happy the person wey get money go happy all family go happy we still dey greet each other. Eri me ya settle mati me settle matter ado agui no e matter na me na mi go get we will still be greeting each other. E don't get no so how much you calculate?
No, 2,251,000 naira. They are according to Vinigo Yaro there now.
I got
2,251,200.
Okay. What we go with calculation. We go with calculation.
If we hit ya check AR call now.
Okay, one or two. Ni mu we tore no ya check we be ade. When you hire we be send request.
Okay.
Anyway, Okpa we on 2.8 million naira.
See, we are Google comment section.
So, bros, we not say na mo tore you know about that call. We bill well adjane. We are going there. Why you got a message on comment section? So, comment no be comment. They are in hospital. They so Eso le de okay kabo. Eso hospital bed na. Iya money. Iya mayore.
Oh, we are mommy.
Eso money. No I afternoon. Baba man.
Are you hearing me?
You are watching me. You are not hearing me. In the hospital bed, you are not hearing me. In the hospital bed.
They are not hearing you well because.
You no kokomo. You no kokomo. Wa talk be koyo.
Give it.
Ave bros na we ya.
It's a hina.
Eto ya hin.
I'll tell you.
Okay. Igo na we agbin awa.
Yeah, I'm marine. So for my
What it? Dog from a dog.
Yeah.
Ese tu eh.
No, you see, I'll say another one now. I'll say another one. Not put down Coco. But yeah, I now when I want to make a consult if I can what you mean. I be a man more than one.
Men of 700 so close to 800. Yeah, my tea, yeah, my enemy.
You
Mewu.
Why gift you know, ma?
Wow, this way go do. Wa go na. Close to 800 you watching eh. Una no fit say don priest you dey try.
Gift here very here.
Everybody get the way they do your show. That's why they do my own show. If you understand me, you like my show.
God, here no
They hear me so. Me don't dey here now. Close to 800 is washing. We only walk who say,
God bless you. Mane presenter no manora. I see the market too. Beg anyway, I go up and I feel gift you know what to wa my na. Wa to.
Wa wesi.
To wa ti fu wa wesi.
Wa wesi.
God bless you.
Why big gift? You know they give me gift and they get joy. I see they try. No easy.
Okay.
You know we're checking, my brother.
Okay. Oh boy, like
51 no 251 no papa. It's said the bell.
Bros, where's the I beg the money where these bros talk new word more than that have a conversation. How much you talk?
2.30 2 million 30 no
2 million. Waiting.
33 million 2 million 33
thousand. Come away 33 million anywhere where you come. You can't matter now. Me have be move to move. 33 million when you apply you do come. Take it easy.
2.233,000 2.233
2.233 thousand. Okay, we calculate. So the women now the big camera. Only we calculate.
Ni calculate now your thought. Ni me calculate na 2,251,200.
Okay, that means all where we have so here. You see, I say we are in the same mood. So now all where my here yata.
No wahala.
Okay, no wahala. We see. So only go we calculate. Only go we calculate.
1,200 pounds.
No, only go we calculate now 2 million.
251,200 pounds. 200 naira.
Okay. Yeah, one more iran figure. One more iran figure. Not making that test. One more iran figure. Iran figure.
Omana 2,252,000 naira.
Okay, 2,252,000. That's my figure. Now I see. 2 million. Okay, what? 2,250,000. That is 2,000 problem. Abi? Now what more? 2,250,000. Oh my very well. Amen. Agree you are.
You know that by Wahala, you agree Wahala.
Agree.
No Wahala.
Okay. So amen. Tamima no ya pay the money.
Next week, next week. Sorry, next month because Okman me go next month. We next month. 500 the car nene.
Okay. We'll see. Bros. Na ki camera we.
The camera is okay.
No, two baba 2 step. Camera I ain't uta, not they hear you.
What's up with Prince?
Where away a Milan who will die, my brother.
Kakabo, no, we say maybe he. My brother.
Now, even now, Imano Pegbe or 12 in Ahina, Imana do Atali Kiri, this, that. Unu we are supported to Igona, Waka calculate. Unu we are supported to. Mr. Ehis, where's the Egbe? Bros, Unigo we are supported to Evoyage, we were not we are supported to.
We cap
The man, they can't drop you. They can't drop out to another. I don't even understand. Wow, say the request. Bros, Unigo we are supported to.
You have supported 500. I supported 500.
I supported to 500,000. God will bless you. So, the first day, no, 200,500,000. Where the only bag first payment is 1 million. What I say, my brother.
But as for me, Baba de come. As for me, that next month in to my brother, no, my work battle.
Hello.
The chairman. And Otion. We calm down. Understand what it. Understand.
Bros, I can't name na last shot, was shot here.
Understand.
Two baba. I can't name na was shot here.
Pick any.
Okay. Mr. Ehis. Mr. Ehis, now we say the request, Baba.
The prince. My guy, not fear. Your stomach so you'll see your money clear. Yeah.
Papa, it should not do because when we're a big Nigeria journal like this now, since a big GF, so because it not say that to that, it can't because it can't see so it can't see our way business or send out to that, it can't away business. Now, okay, maybe it go like Ladana, so it's business in the Kenya also, or what say now worry about the money.
Bros.
I agree. To Baba, worry. Brother Osaro, next month ending, you take away 500, you already 1 million more. Ukada in the boss of man, he was lost. He married one couple. Man, all that man, we need to deport him. You understand? You understand? What I mean? You know, in fact, you should know my kind of person. End of the month, next month ending, you had a 1 million win.
Please wait. Next month ending, which date?
At end of the month, next month ending, the month of it.
Which date? No, a lawyer man, him and they go with date. A date in my house. And then
That is at the first.
30-31st. I make 30-31st. If you do 30-31st.
End of the month, which is next month. Agenda. Next month ending, which is April.
I'll give you 1 million. Man, understand? But I mean waste everything, both distress and everything. Or damage, man, understand? So you know, the prince. What's it cabo? Man, understand? What's it cabo? Osaro. Do me better, but no come here WhatsApp. No, WhatsApp will buy anyway. Man, understand? So what? No tell me or need tell me way. He let no work, Papa. He let work, he weigh me down. So on work by moment. You understand? That's just the kind of person. I'm a straightforward person. That's it.
bro, when a life now, yeah, we, tout baba zegbe, tout baba, utaba, wa supporter, tout baba, wa supporter 20 with 500,000.
Baba, don't please, why worry, Baba, I worry. More sooner that. It's Baba,
Mr. Please, zegbe me now, was zegbe me now. Ne, me na make that the me go get now, Mr. Ease. Mr. Ease, this is where 1 million. A man na 500, don't do I 1.5. I get it really careful talk.
don't please, Sarah, end of next month ending, you have 1 million more.
Okay, when Mujane, where we go here now, where not to go here now. Or to where we go here now, my brother, where we go here, my brother. Tu baba go here now.
Tu Baba,
Baba go here now.
Tu Baba.
The neighbor for talk pay don't allow. The priest for talk pay. I call it to waiting my senior brother see talk like this. So when you magwalo where you talk about the business, he may win have to support him or we equate. You understand? And if you not getting Mwese where that's April 30. No make sure or the enemy.
Now I call the form. The form do have deba matter now. Your brother, a priest do have form, a priest do have form. I don't like, bros. He gonna digba for 2 years. He gonna my beatrice, nothing, and I wear. Now you are paying your 20 happy with the money to reduce. We went not 20 happy with, and the men are in Nigeria or need to go about the men. When next month of the 30 or 20 years support to wear, well, bro, I have looked at the family. It don't the God bless you. I don't know what they do again. People they come message on the face that say with the oppress this guy. Don't say with the oppress this guy. Don't tell we know what talk truth. How can your brother say want to support you and he go back with here? He go go where we have from a big man. Money not there with you, they for big man. I'm crying. They are not hearing me. What will you hear?
Don't praise.
You must say man not talk.
Don't praise so.
Bro, say ya with me.
Don't praise.
Don't shout the movement of Prince.
Yeah, no, my shot him way. Or 20 way you support with 500,000. Who will tell me where say?
I have reason
Maybe later. We did only gonna get 20 k. We obtain me gonna do your supporting me. Me gonna do your supporting me. It ain't my brother. You don't come with your press this boy.
No, not be like that, the Prince.
Now, people come talk. Ni mama will do me the boy.
Prince, Oteme ya na me support him. Man, stop. Moju for me say we need see. Oteme they no know anything. Man,
Bros, I'm listening to him and watching man. No, me no bless what they do bias. Mo was there. Una accept what this bros talk. If yes, mo na right yes. If una accept, say una no accept, mo na right no. Mo say for comment section. If una accept what this bros talk, Ehis, mo na say yes. If una no accept, mo na say no for comment section. Hey bros, I get comment section. No have to wait my bias because me we bias. Everyone watching man. Bros, they watch comment section, may they see. If you know you support what Ehis is saying, say yes. If you don't support, say no. I work another matter. Bros, what do they see for comment section?
I dey see yes, I dey see no as well.
Bros, judge for your heart. If they say may you vote, who believe say win for this yes and no?
Many, and no many as well. It matter, Papa. But a boom, a yes, a boom, a no, a boom.
The priest, you have a system your pa.
We magwa.
I talk with my brother. As far where no, it's not better or tell no imagine where next month is April 30. In your mere one hand, you gear, you understand? But when you support, or your way, you support here, you You understand? Because me bagwa lo we. Now the grace here. The grace na me bagwa.
Nivema oduhu. Sisi na only nivema oduhu one by one ni agwayo because we know be say with the you only boy now you no feel happy with a Martin agwayo say the man of you are bias matter. Please, if they bring you up, you know say you want to contribute for this issue so that you know be like say I dey bias. I can never bias in my life.
No, please. April too far. I beg. April too far. If your brother want help, your brother see help. Because Obona, Sami Kobona, Bona, Sami Kobona, Obo Yahua. Understand? So that guy, then Nigeria, Benin no good. Nigeria get as a B. Let that guy see something they do. If that guy go do kidnapping just now, they catch him. So as you say, you want to do business. So everybody, anybody who wants to help him for down, wanna see help him because Nigeria not there easy, my brother. You know there easy.
I beg you, no one
So
see support. I wanna support.
let your brother help you.
I beg. Don't have a run already go there. No, we help you.
Wait.
No good.
Wait, please talk.
Kabala go. In a reason why not aware, not terminate the barman. I have reasons, please. You guys go.
Bro, do not tell you away. Do not tell you away for people to not say you are biased. Or 20 with an bros. Or 20 later, what are you going back to your 20?
Bro, Tammy Papa. If you say now we may reason, yet to boy or terminate seminar. At least or a lot of expenses because my railway burial.
A lot of expenses. Oh, no, we are 500,000. Maybe big boy here. Who are following your brother? You are following your brother.
I keep following handy, Baba. I know if we are
500,000. 2 million. You don't you wear tip bro, no level.
The company say they follow your brother. Your brother and shame it. They talk and say what gives 500,000.
We are chest. La wo via chest.
I hear you.
See, and eti kugo yoto. Wage a saga or whatever. Man understand. So or didn't there? You understand? For me to wear, I would again. I got temen look be na temen na support me. I worry. Sarah and why I think I can't small ban you go need why marshal say 1 million. Man understand? Yet when the cars get the 500 in when the banana. But send him account where. Man
I can't
understand?
live video pack. I can't
Very good. This guy a very good guy.
I can't hear the live video. They may go screenshot. Screenshot I can't
Someone else contribute.
So, no, man understand la go. You reason why na temeni. Mo, yeah, see, yeah, try me
and the horse is smart. The horse is smart. Amen, man. Yeah, Mudia, bro. Bros, what Mudia?
The reason say, you know me, I support you. Why?
I bet ask that question. Amen, man. Now the question is, wait, bros, wait. Your brother don't ask you question. They say, what be the reason why you don't want me to support you? Because you dey fought their hand. That is why he's a brother to you. That is why because you ain't beg work been about no say we are this is how to show love. Amen. To Baba na Baba.
Don't please don't have a guayo. Like the nene or team brother nata. Eganu ya guamba. Don't no go. Amaga go. Go background about who no.
Madam, no, they talk on that to leave that one. Your wife no fit talk.
If I big women, yeah, guy na home. No, na when they get happy. Because I'm not going to ban.
Madam,
That one, yeah, but someone is.
Okay, because my home of my going also did not know.
Madam, may you leave that side and you want to go to Zolo what he did there. All these people, eh?
Where it's not that when I opinion. Where? Because everybody, we do okay. Me, I do okay. Huh?
Prince, well, drop up water. Prince, drop this woman. Let us spread this out.
What me? No, not drop you. What me?
Don Prince.
Good
What me? No,
Don
not drop
Prince.
you.
My people, everybody mute. Everybody mute. Everybody mute. Moku ask the
Don Prince, oh.
person wey get money. Wetin dey your mind? Talk.
That's wetin I dey my mind. Wetin dey my mind be say, if to say, he go still pay am once, as you talk say that month end, that next month end. So I for would prefer am pass than you can't dey pay
New
am
word.
2 times, 4 times, or if you know say he wan pay am 2 times. If he pay next month ending, he go talk when he wan pay the minimum cost. Now 2 times, now I want the money. As far as say bro I wan support am, in the talk say no, say me he no want support. So make he talk, and I want to pay that money twice.
Osaro, like I said, you not aware next month ending. Now we have to you not okay, you have to 500,000 way. Fine. That month ending, he had a 1 million way. Nikata is here. I understand. So the next other month or you have to be 1.something million around, you get 1 million weekend. So why the other month see the 1 million no problem? Simple.
Wagwanyo. You hear the Wagwanyo?
He said 2 times, Bra Prince. You know, say Europe not easy. 2 times, like they okay. He don't accept.
No
It's
problem.
okay.
No problem. Because
Europe not easy.
But no problem.
You know why they talk? You know why they talk? See, if these bros put that 500,000 general, now the other one will just small. Maybe the other the brother will do
Prince,
that.
as far as say he say no,
Oga
Prince, as far as say
we don't pray this guy. The matter come up for social media.
Oga Prince, he say no. Make you rest. As far as say he say no, make brother don't support him. Make it rest. He say 2 times. It's okay.
Amen. If I come down first. See, maybe we fit come still rest now. Maybe tomorrow now. This guy fit come back say amen. Now you got here. Nobody give a joke. You come help that.
Bro, Don Prince, when they do Baba wear a secret, you know, neta motion, okoni wear
Baba nu we our women. I can't take Ghana where he we say we go
wear secret. Forget to wear secret.
You know understand
Wear secret, Baba. No, no go visual. They wear secret pa lawo.
Okay, a two Baba no we ban we. What say when I went near support you?
Don Prince, why is this? Don Prince, if I dey run for this payment, I know call your platform. I don't have money.
Don't be one. Wait. Okay.
Now make get this. Now make you forget him.
Okay.
Please.
First, okay, bros. I want to ask something. First payment, you said on the 30th of next month. Second payment, on which date?
The next other month again, I'll pay the remaining one. Simple.
Which date for the next other month?
The same ending of the month as well.
The 30th of the other month, you pay.
Yes.
Like that. New word.
Yeah.
You hear what he tell us? You agree?
Yes. If not still pay the money, so I still pay the matter across social media again.
You go pay.
Everybody.
Prince, and I will be there. When I follow my boy, I will turn up here. Imani don't fall in your ball. That don't mean we can mock ya isile ala da social media. O to ile gbegbe. La oh, Imani de wahala.
Yeah, take one.
Dumagwa.
Sarah, lawo you only gele mi teme na. Who sent me 2,000 something?
About we back up to the matter.
Because it cannot matter at the like today.
This guy is really okay. I beg. Now they make person the verse here. Which can talk with our pay money?
Bros, about we matter na settle you want more call reverse again.
Can you let me understand? Me
1002. 1002 we say the cake no ladder. We say the guy is we be 1002. We are working on 1002. Yo, we are not working on the one you see. No, we beg. Okay, ghost in the road. No, we 800 a ghost in English. Mama, make a ghost.
Baba, now make see. Because of that 2000 something, let me they insult me down since.
My battery just dey low.
It's okay,
My
sir.
battery just dey go down because I cannot the papa keep going, man. 6%.
Tu baba, e matter na agwan yo se abama agwan yo se.
Maybe me chawe na, me chawe. Ignite never the come inje ni kokomo. Ni kokomo so about ba we.
Yo.
Mama, what say? Mama, Kaboje, what's Kabo? Host, host, me avec pour moi, what's Kabo? Understand? What's Kabo? Because il a que nous y avait, il a que nous y avait Kabo.
What's the kada.
Osaro, il veut pour moi Kabo, understand?
Bros, why you mute?
Don't please, one love, my people.
Where see? Tu baba, ya ye imi awe. Wa hengu wa ye airport tun when you ata commerce joba again. E mena record yin e bare. Yongi yen do we do ri enu e. Wa hengu wa ye pay. We gonna make you the mena tire we gonna buy your tori ne. Wa hengu wa ye pay your later to o no ri go back. For now, in the matter wrote now, who said that I solve the problem? Or the man will need to go, he should send the money back to your account. Enika obeguwa, the enika waya. Umasa because he ain't not about what the 30, but a man now me 1.5 million bar. Umasa na evi no ve of a dead tangible ne. O gigoni say ya we mi agbon.
Okay.
Ubere my brother, o say ya we mi agbon. So I said, not a stand the only go to make it as 1.5. The first payment.
2, 3, 4, 8.
I'm thinking myself. End of the month, I will give you £1 million.
Hello. Good afternoon.
That's a nice brother that want to support you. You are there saying not to talk.
Okay, send request from me.
Guy, if you're talking, I'm not talking. I've never insulted you since you've been saying nonsense. I won't
insult you. Who insult you?
I think you have a nice brother that stood by you that want to support you. It's better you let him support you than you give the guy 1.5.
Bro, my brother, yeah, my insult you when egui, yeah, insult you ya wegbe, osunu no sunu ne. Oga tu where you go na nsi, who ba we say wana. Say man.
I thought you were, and I thought the guy. The guy said they called
The priest, however, or when you hear send you go there, get your account is so name. When I send you the money, and then WhatsApp number where the WhatsApp number name.
Ni try, ni make sure where. Ni pay any man understand. Honestly, I conclude. End of the month, you had a 1 million. Simple. I don't know which one you guys are arguing about again.
What the a matter forget
end of the month. End of the month, April who pay the last one we pay no powerful.
Mute, 2 minutes, man. Prince, Imala kebe ya misbehave. Uri go biere wari nebe next month. Me ma yen na ngai te gbe to ajuji. O ko to mi ari go ne. U ku ejo wa so wa ya ta wo wa. Because I don't know what you know see.
Come on. Oh, you know come on. That go you from come on. E gina do business to money manager man. You not have you not pay me go pay. Simple. End of the month, end of next month, we dey 1 million simple. Ah, the baby no you know money.
Mr. Ehis, you cannot quarrel with people that's going to help you.
I'm not quarreling.
Please, opinion give me a prince, Budia. Since we were on the 30th of next month, we are, sir. Me wale this thing, but if prince come by Wednesday. So, okay, so the 30th no man here, sir. Pa new word, we get like to time magama here, sir. So where's the no car? So the 30th. So if the prince, now I what it was. So what the party? On the 30th, is somebody here, sir.
Say you will show love to your brother. And your brother did reject the love. Man, make it sense now.
On the 30th, I will remit that 500.
Abi. So when not higher on the 30, a man will new what you network even more. New what you the request. On the 30, you go collect 1.5.
I went back here.
I get 750,000 IK. I get 750,000 IK. So on the 30 or receiving 1.5, you remain 750,000. Please is later 500,000 or 20. Where they get later? When you get pa? A pa Mr. Prince.
La ruke pa me fo mutane.
500,000 naira. If
let me talk with I want to talk, I beg. If let me talk, my for come down.
Okay.
I beg make it talk. First of all, I be new word friend. No, I even know. Now girlfriend, now be. Now me they stand there for anything. First of all, that mountain the way you talk so it's too far because that boy say you need to start up something. They said no they eat they sleep. You need to start up something. That 500 you want to do so you go do and give am today.
I no go do am.
You go do and give am today.
I no go.
If I me call you that day. You want know the talk? Now me call you last week. Now me call you last week. You for WhatsApp. You know what I do for WhatsApp. If I do give am today.
I no go do am. I want to next month take the me go. What are you?
If I do that, do one more for 10 days sure. If I do and give am today, because me say no dey even dey speak for himself. He dey agree to anything when he dey even dey talk.
I no go agree.
Not agree. Fair wait. You know the quarrel here.
The prince, because again, I don't go anyhow. Man, I said, I don't go me. Oh, man, come here, man, she shouldn't insult me, not to my wedding enemy. Okay, I wish you don't see me today. You should have fit me. What are you?
So, bros, what time now? How you take talk? You say on the 30th, you will put 500,000 journal. Like when Emmanuel the camera, Chema, I greet you. Okay, Chema, every matter see you the everything what they talk is when matter see now. Okay, or two now we are happy with the 500,000. The many make like the amigo. Or two we are going matter here. Okay. I went to move to Baba. Where to move to Baba? Move to Baba. Anyo, ya better anyo boy. You see drink for your hand. So, no kissing. New word. I bet send request again.
We battery here or low ban.
Away battery low ne.
Type ban.
Yeah. Okay. Now, bros. Evoyare now conclude the nail. We on the 30th. On 20 we had the 500,000. But 1.5 will carry on the 30th.
Bini kayet ban the prince. Me I drop it. I'm not saying my brother money. I beg you. I'm still saying it.
Prince, you only met here for me.
Mama, enough. Mama, hear me, mama.
I'll call you back.
Mama, more kind, mama. Me I run there. You might not tell us about it.
One of the way I've seen what do you hear be no do.
You not the way you did. You not go assist her. You not go meet her. Go assist her.
The first you know. Okay, I'm not carrying it.
No one. You go. The money, not be bad. It was the man not come out to go. The guy not sleep.
It's okay. Okay.
Nobody go give her the money. You go give her. You understand me? So far you don't come and say go give her, go give her.
Finish.
So I beg una one contribute one by one. Una one contribute one by one. Yeah we.